is beautiful. And he told me just last night that we had this chance again. If we had time, it's when you dark your eyes, it is the wonderful. When you go your nose, still gets the time. And when you feel like shit, she's so still beautiful. And it's just like all the sense that if we had this chance again, if we had time, it's alright to get what he wants, doesn't mean it this time. It's alright to get some affection and feel love, like I'm the one, like I'm the endless pictures. It's when you take your back, it's just your sweet happy. But when you start fresh, you still keep your place. Going by with my heart is broken, still so broken. And it's only just last night that we had this chance again. Yeah,